and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm going to be doing this look here for a collaboration with the lovely Vanessa Loves the Makeup. I will have her channel linked down below as well as her video. I'm super excited to be doing another monochromatic makeup look. I did kind of take some personal liberties on this and I really love how this turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see how I got this look, continue.
Okay, so I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer to prime my eyes. I already have tape on. We're doing this thing, people. It's going. Blending it out. I'm going to set it with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette in the shade Conch, because that's what I like to set my eyeshadow primer with. Next, we're going into the Carity palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Coquet, I think it is, or Coquette, something like that. I can't say it. Skills. And you're just going to watch me kind of blend it out. I'm using a big fluffy brush for this because I'm using it as my transition shade. I'm taking it from the crease and just above and slightly underneath my brow, and going to build it up slightly just because I like this, that it's a soft kind of orange color and it's going to really work with the other colors that I'm planning on using. So yeah, blend, 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 blendy, blend. Make sure it all works, and then I'm going to take a slightly less dense fluffy brush to go into the crease using the shade Vegas in that same Carity palette, and we're just going to start making this a very orange look. I'm blending it in just to make sure that it is all there and ready to go. Just kind of making sure everything is nicely blended. I really focused on this shade Vegas here into my crease and to the outer edge, and now I'm going in with that giant fluffy brush that has Coquet on it, and I'm just going to blend everything together to make sure it's a nice seamless blend. Next, I'm going to be dipping into my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Realgar, that nice orange shade that is in that palette, to really deepen the outer V. I'm using kind of an angled eyeshadow brush from Luxie to do this, to kind of create that very deep kind of orange and deep outer corner. Just kind of blending everything together. So I've kind of noticed my facial expressions. I am very focused when I do these kind of tutorials, and I just want you guys to know that I am actually excited to be playing with makeup. I just get really kind of focused to the point where I almost forget the camera's there. There I am with that big fluffy brush, just blending everything together. You gotta blend it all together, people. It's gotta be blended! I think I have a lot of fun with voiceovers and things. Yeah, it's just me. No biggie. So I'm going back in with that smaller kind of blending brush and really getting into the crease and blending all of that together. And now I'm going into my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. I'm using the shade Jones, and this I'm going to put all over my lid. It is a very light kind of shade. Light orange kind of shade. I'm very bad at describing shades. I'm sorry. But I like that it kind of makes this kind of gradient where it goes light to a little darker to really dark orange on my eye. Just kind of making sure everything is blended and on my lid the way I want it. Taking that angled brush and just kind of going over it with Realgar in a few places to ensure that it is just how I want it to look. Next, I'm taking this NYX Vivid Brights white eyeliner, and I'm just going to let you know that I lined my eyes and it's just a hot mess. I was kind of rushing this and I should have went a little slower, and I just didn't. So you live, you learn, you use white eyeliner. Now I'm taking off the tape. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, take that tape off. Woo! It's off. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Colossal Lash Mascara and just doing the top. Now it's time to use my NYX Tame & Frame Brow Pomade and do these brows. I say this in every single one, but seriously, I wish I could do my brows this fast. It would save me so much time. I don't think you could even realize that this took me like 20 minutes to do both brows because it was just a struggle, people. Brows are a struggle. Gotta do them though. Gotta make it work. And voila, they're done. And now I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette, and I'm using the shade Dream, which is an orange toned highlight. And it goes nicely with the overall look. I'm just doing my brow bone, my whole brow, all of it. Just all of it. Make it look very nice. Now I'm going to be taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance Primer all over my face. I love this primer. I love it. Then I'm going to use the Max Factor Pan Stick, and yeah, it's pretty much done after this because I can't really get any more out. Gonna blend that all in. Have to make sure that, you know, it's all blended. Don't want to look crazy. Then I'm going to use my Maybelline Insta Age Rewind Concealer. Just blend all of that in. Then I'm going to use the Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder. And I don't really, Raven sent this to me. I don't have any thoughts on it just yet. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Coty Airspun powder. And look at, this is why I don't really use a powder brush. It's just a mess. Yep. Next, I'm going into my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm going to contour and bronze with this palette. Really carve out those cheekbones there. Use that middle shade all the time to bronze, but I think I accidentally dip into the darker shade, and woo, it makes my face look muddy. Next, I'm going into the Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten, and I'm using that blush. It's Blushing Glow in there because it's a very peachy kind of orange blush, and I think it really complements the eye look. Then I take Real Gar and I go underneath my lower lash line, and then I'm just going to take some mascara. I don't line my lower lash line or my waterline this time. Then I'm going back into that BH Cosmetics palette using the shade Dream again, and I'm going to highlight my face. Make it look beautiful. I really, seriously, this is my favorite like highlight palette that I've ever played around with, and I highly recommend it. I know I say that every time, but this is one product that I can actually say that I absolutely love, because I do. Next, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Terrifying Tangerine. Oh yeah, there we go. Now, I think if I was going to go out and not do this as a monochromatic orange look, I would probably pair this look with a different lipstick, maybe more of a nude, but I do really like this orange. Well, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Please go check out Vanessa's video. I am very curious to see what she came up with. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this look. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Vanessa's channel will be linked down in the description box. Thank you so much. Hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and